You're welcome in math, and I got a second video of this series, and in the previous video we have discussed this. So let's understand the second part. So as you know that Euclid had to complete his elements book, and as you know that he has defined the extreme and mean ratio, and it is also necessary component for the constructing of regular pentagon. But why we need this? Because with the help of regular pentagon we can create a well-known Platonic solid that is mentioned in the Euclid's elements book, and that is dodecahedron. But what is regular pentagon? Regular pentagon is a five-sided closed figure with all sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. So as I have told you, regular pentagon is needed for creating dodecahedron Platonic solid, which is a 12-sided regular pentagon faces containing Platonic solid. And Platonic solid is basically the special type of polyhedron. Polyhedron means what? That is many faces closed figure, which is 3D object, because many faces are present on the 3D figure. Now it has two types, concave and convex. So let's discuss about the concave polyhedron. So it is the 3D shape in which the faces are made up of polygon, such that there is 2 points inside of it. When you draw a line segment from it, the line segment go outside of the polyhedron. But in the convex polyhedron, this not happens. You can compare it using the diagram. Now some special types of polyhedron that is discussed in the book Elements that I have told you is called Platonic solids, and the conditions that make polyhedron a Platonic solid are as follows. So the first condition of the polyhedron is it must be convex, having all the faces are identical regular polygon. And the second condition is minimum 3 regular polygon faces meet at each vertex. So for illustrating this, let me draw a rough diagram. So this is a common vertex of these four, let's say 4 regular polygon faces. Okay, and note that all the polygon faces, all the regular polygons must be identical. This is our first condition, as you can see. So the number of faces must be attached from the single vertex must be minimum 3. Okay, now the fourth condition I am explaining here, that all the angles sum like this is less than 360 degree. So first of all, let me write this is less than. Okay, now what happens at 360 degree? Because when it is 360 degree, it will be a plane, not a 3D structure. It will be plane. Okay, plane figure. And when some polyhedron satisfy this condition, then that polyhedron become Platonic solid. And we have only 5 types of Platonic solid that is written in the elements, and only 5 types of Platonic solids also possible. So the first one is tetrahedron, which is having 4 equilateral triangular faces, okay, which is a regular polygon. The second one is cube, which has 6 square faces. And the third one is the octahedron, which has 8 equilateral faces. The fourth one is dodecahedron, which has 12 regular pentagonal faces. The fifth one is icosahedron, which has 20 equilateral triangular faces. Now the question arises, how the extreme and mean ratio useful in drawing or constructing regular pentagon, as I have told you. So the how question will be told in the upcoming video, and here why only these 5 conditions possible, this is also be told in our upcoming videos. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.